Okay, y'all, took another trade of the day and made $577 for a total gain today of $13.82. So I totally forgot about setting your stop loss to break even or setting trailing stops. So I got in this trade. We had a perfect unicorn setup. If you know what that is, it's when the breaker lines up exactly with the fair value gap. These are the trades we love, the retracement down. We have a 1 hour, we have 1 hour and a 4 hour fair value gap here on my first trade this morning, if you watched. I didn't put any of the thingies up because I was at the gym. So we got market structure shift. I got in here. I sold one here, and I went to sell the second one here and the third one here. I only got 3 contracts. So then I moved my stop loss for the second 2 here for a break even, and then I was like, oh, I can just put in profit. Because up here, I think I was up 500, so I would have made like 1,500 if I sold all 3 here. And up here, I think I had an extra 700, so I've been up like 17. But I set both a trailing stop here from the get out, so I had an extra 300 made. So basically, when I first sold this one, I sold for like 200 and something, and then this one between the 2 contracts was like 300. It could still go up here, it could go down here, it could go stop you out a little bit and come up here, like you just don't know. So like I said, I like to take my profits now. That's like my game. But I remember for the morning one, I'm so sad I didn't hold at least. This is my last take profit here. This little reversal kind of juked me out, and I sold one contract at the middle of this fair value gap. No, the end of this fair value gap. So I sold one here, and I sold the other 3 here, and I could just waited. I had one more take profit here at the bottom of this fair value gap, and then the last 2 here, I had 4 contracts in this one. So next time I'm about to start, once I hit first TP, like down here, set break even stop loss, or even like a trailing stop loss up here to have a little bit of profit for the other 2 contracts, and then let them run. So yeah, but for me, sometimes, like I said here, $1,700 if I just closed up here. So it's like, do you just set your trailing stops? Do you just set break even stop losses, or you just take your money? And this is why I started saying I might just start scalping, because we got market structure shift, and I'm just use a bigger lot size and just take it to this liquidity and be done. Like maybe I want to use lot sizes where I can get just like a $1,500 to $2,000 gain from just this little move here and be done. But yeah, very relaxed. Was at the gym on the treadmill, killing it while I was just watching this happen. I'm glad I got extra almost $600 on the day for almost $1,400 day with my smaller lot sizes I've been using. Usually this is how much I make with my 10 lot sizes, honestly. But yeah, it looks like it's probably still gonna grow away. And even then, I feel like I got in up here, I didn't get in at the bottom of the fair value gap. So this still would have stopped me out at break even. So it's one of those things where, sometimes it happens, sometimes it won't, and it'll just go straight your way, as we've seen. These are setups I really love. These it runs up, then has to go down to a PD array on a higher time frame, and then reverses up to us. But yeah, so 2 trades today for a good little win, good into the first week back after crashing and burning. And yeah.